You know what? I don't even think coffee really keeps me up at this point. Just kind of raises my heart rate. I just feel like I'm having a heart attack, but I'm still so super tired. It just doesn't work the way it used to. Remember in high school, you'd have like a sip of a coffee and be bugging all night? We're getting older, man. We're getting older. What is going on, YouTube? Current Spaces here, aka Brandon, and we are back today with another video. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys about my 5 home office essentials that I feel like would benefit everybody and everyone, no matter what profession you're in, no matter what trade you're in. This is the home office essentials that you should have if you are putting together your own home office. So as of a couple years ago, obviously the entire world shifted into something much different than anybody was ever used to. And with that came the change of working from home for, I would say, probably 40 to 50% of the working class. With all those people being from home, this new trend went on the rise of setting up your office spaces and making it look the coolest and seeing how much of your paychecks you can sink into your office. And that's not what I want this video to be about. I'm not trying to showcase the most expensive products and things that you need for your office and just flex different products that I've been sent and whatnot. I want to shed some light on the 5 most important things in my home office that I feel like help me stay at my absolute peak productivity, help me get things done, and help me stay as creative as possible. Without further ado, let's just dive right in. Number 5 for me on that list is got to be my standing desk. Now, full disclosure, I was sent this desk as a product collaboration, but this is my everyday desk. I don't use any other desks. I have grown to absolutely love this thing. I do use the standing feature quite often. I would say probably 2 to 3 hours of my 8-hour days at my desk are spent standing. At the end of the day, my body genuinely does feel better than sitting down in a chair all day long. It's got 4 different settings so you can program the height that works for you. I usually toggle just between the 2. One is the level that I like it at while I'm sitting, and the second one is the level at I like it when it's standing. Again, this is the standing desk by RiseDesk.io. All the products at the end of this video will be linked in the description below if you wanted to check any of this stuff out while you're building your home office. Coming in at number 4 on the list is my Effy Desk Ergonomic Office Chair. This is called the Airy Chair, A-E-R-Y, I believe. Don't sue me if I got that wrong. Something like that. And this, to me, aside from my desk, because I need something to work on, also sit on, so it could be pretty much the exact same in terms of importance for me. This chair is hands down the biggest lifesaver of my back and my butt. Now, before this chair, I did have a Secret Lab, and although it was insanely comfortable and decked out in nice leather and looked great in my setup, my back and my butt did not love it at the end of an 8-hour day. This chair here is completely ergonomic, super comfortable, and I can last 8 hours designing on my computer and feel completely fine at the end of the day. Next up on the list, coming in at number 3, is my M1 MacBook Pro. Obviously, I am a designer, I'm a photographer, I edit photos, I'm designing in all the different Adobe programs all day long. I need a computer. Now, this video isn't to say that you need to buy the MacBook. You can also design on a PC. But if you are like myself and you are an Apple fan, an absolute Apple psychotic freak, then you know how good these new M1 chips are, and this MacBook has been an absolute beast. Before this, I was designing on a 2018 MacBook Pro. It got the job done, but it was chuggy. Exporting videos took way too long. Opening up Photoshop would just crash the computer completely. So since switching over to this new M1 Pro, my workflow has become so much more efficient and my life is just that much easier. Coming in at number 2 on my list is my keyboard and mouse. Now, I am currently using the MX keys and the MX Master 3 by Logitech. I went through all the different keyboards, man. I had a Keychron, I've had the Apple one, I've had a bunch of other ones before that. I can't remember the names. Red Dragons, White Dragon, Purple Dragon, whatever it is. All of those get absolutely wrecked by the Logic MX keys. This thing is absolutely incredible. It's super comfortable in your fingers. The little indents or grooves, whatever we call those, are super comfortable, super easy to work with. And I love the little glow feature when you run your hand over top, the keyboard lights up so you can see what you're doing at night. And in terms of the mouse, I was previously using the Apple Magic Mouse, which to me, I just feel like is one of those office accessories that look incredible and super premium, but I just feel like it doesn't get the job done the same way an MX Master 3 would. It's super comfortable after a full day of working and holding my mouse. My wrist feels comfortable, no palm cramps, and it's packed with features that can help me get through the day. And finally, number 1 on my list is a creative space. I cannot stress this enough. I feel like, especially in the creative industry, anywhere that you're working, you need to work in a creative environment and just somewhere that you can feel the most creative at all times. Now, I feel like any creative person will totally understand what I'm coming from when I say you cannot be creative outside of a creative environment. Well, I mean, you probably could, but it probably won't come to you as easily as it would as opposed to being inside of a super creative space. Now, when I was creating this office, I wanted to make sure that everything around me kind of inspired me. I mean, it doesn't always have to. I've got knives and my little trinkets kicking around. Those don't really inspire me all that much. But hanging my portraits up on the wall, hanging my prints, my landscapes up on the wall, that's different kind of stuff that inspires me. So I made sure that at the end of the day, my office was a place that I could come to, feel inspired and feel creative and be able to create at my best. And just like that, that is a wrap on my top 5 must-have home essentials. If I missed anything, let me know down in the comments. Maybe you're completely different. Maybe you enjoy sitting on a pizza box or working with your MacBook on a paint can. To each their own. If that's what gets you through the day, that's what gets you through the day. I love it. I dig it. I support it. Get your work done. Be creative. Stay creative. As always, please remember to like this video, drop a comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.